New food business. Please know that demos at food retailers can cost anywhere from a few hundred to a few $1,000s. Yes, it sounds hefty. Can I get something for free? Maybe if you are lucky. But remember, it's an investment into your product's success. First impressions matter, and a live demo lets your product speak for itself. Seeing your product in action creates a connection with the customer that an online ad or packaging just can't accomplish. Plus, it offers real-time feedback, which is vital. Bottom line? Check your investment value, time and resources and pick your battle. Demo at food retail helps you introduce and move the product at the store. If you are working on getting that retailer list your product, it can be a good way to communicate your product value.